is Barry Every with the National Underclassmen Combine, and I'm here in chilly Cincinnati, Ohio, where we just finished the 5-star showcase. And I'm with Ryan Hunter, our O-line MVP from Canisius High School in Buffalo, New York. Is that correct?
I just love football. I grew up somewhere where there wasn't football readily available at a young age. It was all I really wanted to do. The Super Bowl run was crazy. I mean, that whole playoff run as a whole was crazy.
The best offensive lineman in the Canadian Football League, Ryan Hunter.
We're lucky to be at the right place at the right time.
And it's Ryan Hunter for the touchdown!
It was a grade 5 AC tear, was the official diagnosis. I could not even be here, you know, so